Good morning YouTube, here we have another little video here. This one is a personal survival kit, as you can see from makers, I don't know how to pronounce that, but it's EVAQ8.co.uk. I came across this on Amazon. It looked quite interesting for keeping in your car and things like that, as it says it's for the house, the car or to take away. It's a personal survival kit. It's got food, water, light sticks, foil blanket and water purification. We're going to have a wee look at it and see what's in it. Well, we know what's in it, but see how much is in it, and maybe give it a little taste test. See how it goes. Well, first thing first, here's the light stick, and it's a yellow 12-hour duration light stick, 6 inches long. I'm not going to open this up. Not just now. No point during the day, wouldn't see anything. So I'll push this up here. Next thing we have emergency blanket, adult size, 130 centimeters by 210 centimeters. So that's just over a meter, just under a metre and a half by just over 2 meters. I've seen a few of these, I've had a few of them, I've never actually opened one up and tested it, so maybe we'll open this one up, have a look at it. Check the durability of it for ripness. That is a lot stronger than I actually thought it would be. So that's a thumbs up on that bit. How would it last on? I suppose if in an emergency, if you're needing something to keep you warm and that, it would last. It would work pretty well, I'd imagine. I'm going to do a little video out on a camping trip one night, testing a few of the things on some of my videos. This is one I would like to test, maybe without a sleeping bag with me. I'll obviously have the sleeping bag with me in case it gets too cold, but try it out. So, one to look out for. But the strength of it, trying to rip it, I'm very impressed with how tough it actually was. So, there we have drinking water. It says 2 times 5, 50 millilitres. 2 times 5 times 50. So is that 2 of them or 5 of them in here? There's more than one in here, I know that. It says 500 millilitres. So I'll give this a little open up. Hopefully it's not that easy to open. Maybe the arrow here is a good sign, a good indicator of nope. Nope. It is actually quite tough to open. Just going to grab a pair of scissors, back in a minute. Here we go. Let's hope I don't get water all over the place. Yeah, there's individual packaging inside. I'm being careful because I don't want to burst water all over the place. Oh. Oh. These are all kind of stuck together. See if I can separate one. I probably could. Yeah, I will. I'll separate one. Yep. And I can put this back in here. So this is 50 millilitres of water in each one. So it's 2 times 50 millilitres on each one. There are 5 of them, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yep. Which is 100 millilitres in each pouch. Let's taste it. What more can I say? It tastes like water. But no, it's... If you needed water, it's not very cold, but it's... If you needed water, you wouldn't be bothered how hot it was. There is just about a mouthful in one of these. So, what's the duration on this water? It does have a manufacturer and a best before date. You get, is that 6 years? 5.5, 6 years out of this. But the thing with water is, water does not go out of date. Sealed like this, sealed up, this will last. This will just keep going. Water does not go out of date. Yeah, when you open it up, you might need to give it a little boil or things like that just to be sure. But water definitely does not go out of date. So, that's water. What else do we have? Nope. Water purification. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 of them. 10 water purification tablets. These definitely come in handy. If you're out, if you've not got a life straw, boil water, put this in it to purify it, and then you get clean drinking water, safe clean drinking water. Yeah. I quite like these being included, but if you're stuck in your car, you wouldn't need water purification tablets, because I wouldn't imagine you'd be stuck that long in a country like the UK. Right, so now we come to the food portion. Yeah, again, we're getting the same kind of 5.5, 6 years out of these, the dates out of these. There's all the fat contents, 14%. Saturated fat, 30%. That's quite high. But I suppose if you're in a life and death environment, you need fat and energy to keep you going. Carbs, carbohydrates. All this stuff I don't really know much about. I don't really watch what I'm eating and things like that. Well, they've got a few different languages on these. I'm going to assume that's Chinese, Japanese, Russian. I think that maybe Norwegian, maybe. I'm not 100% sure, so don't quote me on that. In English, obviously. Instructions for use inside the box. Well, we've got other languages down here. Looks like Middle Eastern languages. Right, let's... I'm not too sure about... I've never, ever tried these. Obviously, once I open this block, it's going to be pretty much useless. But I have always wanted to try them. By the looks of it, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 blocks in here, but I think the blocks are like two-sided, so let's get tuck into it and see how it goes. It's Seven Oceans. I see these Seven Ocean packages quite a lot all over the place, so they must be good. These are individually wrapped. From what I've seen on other videos, these are like biscuit types. I do not know how they taste. This is the first time I've ever tasted one of these, so let's see if I could survive on it in the wild. They're just like a plain biscuit. They're kind of like a digestive biscuit, if you know what those are. We have those in the UK. Yeah, I could. They're dry. You would need a lot of water, a lot more than that, to sit and eat these. This, if I'm not mistaken, is what, a 72-hour? I think it's 72-hour ration pack on this. It doesn't say. It doesn't actually say like how long this box is supposed to last you, unless it's there and I'm missing it. But they're actually okay. I could see myself eating them if I had to. You would definitely need these, because that would not be enough water to eat this, because they are quite dry. Yep. They're actually quite nice. I'm quite glad I tested that. But anyway, guys, that's it for today's video. Any questions, comments, please give us a thumbs up and a like. And hit me back if there's anything you would like me to check out on the channel. Thank you very much, guys. Catch you in the next video.